वेलकम टू प्रेप पिक योर पिक टू गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम सक्सेस। आज की क्लास में है एसएससी एमटीएस में आए हुए मेमोरी बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस जो आपके अपकमिंग शिफ्ट्स के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होंगे। और हमारे चैनल का एम है स्टडी स्मार्टली। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है द यूरोपियन स्पेस एजेंसी ESA in vision mission is primarily designed to study which planet with a planned launch in 2030s. And the answer here is option number B, it's Venus. Second question, the Ruhr region in Germany is historically famous for which of the following industries? And the answer here is option number B, it's coal mining, steel production and heavy industry. And third question is the first module of the International Space Station ISS was launched on which date? And the answer here is option number A, it's November 20, 1998. Fourth question, the Lomas Rishi Cave, part of the Brabar Caves, is located in which district of Bihar and dates back to Mayuran period? And the answer here is option number B, it's Gaya district. Fifth question, in which year was Razia Sultan removed from the throne of Delhi Sultanate? And the answer here is option number B, it's 1240 AD. Sixth question, which part of the human brain is primarily responsible for controlling the vomiting reflex? And the answer here is option number B, it's medulla oblongata. Seventh question, the Depressed Classes Association was established in 1930 by which prominent leader to advocate for the right of Dalits? And the answer here is option number B, it's Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Eighth question, Jammu and Kashmir was not included in the India census in which of the following year due to partition and terrorism related issue? And the answer here is option number B, it's 1951 and 1991. Ninth question, the new economic policy NEP introduced in 1991 which significantly altered the trajectory of India's 5-year plan was primarily based on which model of development? And the answer here is option number C, it's LPG, liberalization, privatization and globalization model. 10th question, Sarojini Naidu poetry collection The Golden Threshold was published in which year? And the answer here is option number B, it's 1905. एग्जाम में शायद सरोजनी नायडू के बुक के बारे में पूछा था, तो बुक अगर क्वेश्चन में होगा देन द आंसर विल बी द गोल्डन थ्रेशोल्ड, एंड इफ इन विच ईयर इट वाज पब्लिश्ड था तो क्वेश्चन में इट्स गोइंग टू बी 1905. 11th question, the Kawadi Atam is a traditional folk dance predominantly performed in which Indian state as a tribute to the deity Lord Muruggan? And the answer here is option number C, it's Tamil Nadu. 12th question, the radio waves are reflected back to earth by which atmospheric layer? And the answer here is option number C, it's ionosphere. 13th question, which of the following statement best describes the calculation of GDP, gross domestic product, at market price? And the answer here is option number B, it is the total value of all final goods and services produced within a country including indirect taxes and excluding subsidies. 14th question, the Hirangarbha ritual is in ancient India history was performed by the non-Castilian ruler primarily to, and the answer here is option number B, it symbolically be reborn as Castilias. 15th question, the Magadha Empire rose and ruled prominently in ancient India during which approximate period? And the answer here is option number B, is 600 BCE to 400 BCE. 16th question, Navratri celebration are prominently associated with which Indian state, often featuring Garba and Dandiya dances? And the answer here is option number B, it's Gujarat. 17th question, real GDP is defined as, and the answer here is option number B, the total value of goods and services produced at constant price or adjusted for inflation. 18th question, the inclination of the International Space Station ISS orbit relative to Earth equator is approximately how many degree and is in which direction does it orbit? And the answer here is option number B. It's 51.6 degrees west to east. Now the English section. 19th क्वेश्चन वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन से एक क्वेश्चन आया था अ पर्सन हु इज स्किल्ड इन द आर्ट ऑफ ब्यूटीफुल हैंडराइटिंग इज कॉल्ड एंड द आंसर हियर इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज कैलीग्राफर 20th question choose the correct preposition to complete the sentence and the question here is the decision was taken in accordance that's the rule and the answer here is option number B it's with 21st question what is the antonym of sting and the answer here is option number A it's generous 22nd question which of the following word is correctly spelled and among this which is correctly spelled and the answer here was option number B it's Israqibble so according to the today's question क्या क्या आए थे उसके हिसाब से मैंने कुछ एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चन बनाए ताकि आपकी रिवीजन के लिए बेनिफिशियल हो सो द एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चन द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द मल्टीनेशनल लेवल एक्सरसाइज ला पेरिस 2025 edition involve how many participating nation and the answer here is option number D it's 9 nations. So the second question from the section is identify the correctly spelled word among the following options. So the answer here is option number B. Misspelled का word थोड़ा tough आ रहा है, so be careful while taking the answer. Third question, if a living animal cell is lived in a hypertonic solution, what is the most likely outcome? And the answer here is option number C. Its water will move out of the cell causing it to shrink or crenate. For fourth question, who was the first India to win the Nobel Prize in Literature? And the answer here is option number B. It's Rabindranath Tagore. Fifth question, Arya Samaj was established in which year? And the answer here is option number A. It's 1875. Sixth question, what is the most appropriate antonym for the word behemoth? And the answer here is option number C. It's dwarf, tiny. Seventh question, which of the following term describes a calm of being elsewhere during a crime? And the answer here is option number B. It's alibi. Eighth question, which of the following term is best defined as a person or thing that brings bad luck? And the answer here is option number B. It's Ginex. Ninth question, in the context of media and broadcasting, what is the correct one-word substitution for a person who presents a live television or a radio program? And the answer here is option number B. It's anchor. 10th question, the last one from the revision section. 10th question is what is the meaning of idiom in the hot water? And the answer here is option number B. To be in a serious trouble or a difficult situation. सो यहाँ हमारा मेमोरी बेस्ड फिनिश होता है और होप यू लाइक द वीडियो मैं ऐसे ही और भी शिफ्ट्स लाते रहूंगी ताकि आपके अदर शिफ्ट्स के लिए बेनिफिशियल हो सके और अगर इफ यू आर लाइकिंग द कंटेंट ऑफ दिस चैनल प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू योर यूट्यूब चैनल प्रेप पिक थैंक यू सो मच